Well, as the video says, fellas, I think I sent her a little too hard. Yeah, you can see the four-link hanging down, and part of the front axle went into the porch this morning. Didn't get her load up in time, and there we go. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna bush fix it here. We're gonna glue this back in with a zip tie, and we're gonna send her, see how she goes. All right, here's our fix. We got the piece back in the broken hole, super glued, 2 zip ties, and screwed it back in, and let's see if she holds. Let's give her a little shake down, see if that axle holds up. Yeah, that'll work. All right, we did a little freestyle on a ice bank out there, and looks like we made some work for ourselves. We snapped the axle in the front. It was previously repaired, and it just didn't hold up to the pounding there on the jumps. So that came apart. The drive shaft came apart. It's not broken. It just came unslipped. We'll fix that. But we need a new axle. It looks like our limiting straps really helped on that part of the video. As you see, we didn't break any shock or shock ends at all. So we're just gonna put a new axle in it. Looks like we'll be good to go.